And she always told me pray for the weak. Them demons got me, I ain't prayed in some weeks. Dear Lord, come save me, the devil's working on. He probably clocking double shifts on all of his jobs. Frightening, so fucking frightening. Enough to drive a man insane. I need a license to kill. I'm standing on a field full of landmines doing the moonwalk, hoping I'm
Yeah, I actually can. What did you
I was trying to get you with the fucking pickaxe. I wasn't able to do it. How low were you?
say?